I'm Bethany.
I'm Avery.
First of all, let me say, we went back to the Dollar Tree. Uh-oh. We found something different to diamond paint. We're in the Thelma, Michigan. It is a snowy disaster outside. It is cold. I just walked out of the studio, opened the door, and a big chunk of snow ice fell on my shoulder. This is what we're dealing with in Michigan. This is very springy. It's a stake you put in the ground, but I saw it and I was like, I need some sunshine. So let's do this. We're gonna see how this turns out. We're gonna use glue, this stuff. I'm not really experienced with this, so we'll see what happens. We're gonna dry it. We're not gonna paint this. We're gonna use these colors as the background for the drills. And we're just gonna use our leftover drills.
Yep.
And this is an experiment because there is some bumpiness on here. So we'll see if we can get the drills to stick. And we're gonna put it outside. We're not gonna worry about the weather. Let's get started. As you can see here, I just kind of went glue crazy. If you end up doing this project, don't dump it on like I did. Now, we did end up taking a little bit of glue off with our brushes and putting it back into the bottle, so it really wasn't a big deal. I just wouldn't do it again. Or maybe I would. Here you see me sealing this. We had originally thought we were gonna put drills all over this watering can, but we liked the flowers popping out so much, we decided to just leave it. And because we'd already put glue on it, we just put this sealer over the top, and it did take all the stickiness away and kind of cover it. What did you think, Avery?
Yeah, it turned out pretty nice.
You recommend it?
Yeah.
What time is it, Ave?
Well, it's sticker time.
Sticker time!
We got a waffle today.
Oh.
Got a round waffle, not a square waffle. Just put down there. I call it the lover's bundle. But we got a set of 4. We got a card with hearts, a lovebirds one. We got pretty as a flower, and then key to my heart.
They're awesome to put into greeting cards or just to give to your Valentine. Thank you for watching. We love you guys.
Yep, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.